INSA Standard Rifle. It is a gas-operated assault rifle. It can be fired in single-round or three-round burst mode. It comes with a bayonet. It has a mount point for the ARE 40mm under-barrel grenade launcher, along with a gas block for launching grenades and grenade iron sight. The flash suppressor has a blank firing adapter. An INSA assault rifle with black furniture, incorporating full auto mode, was introduced later. The automatic assault rifle has the same range of 400 meters as the semi-automatic standard INSA rifle. During the 1999 Kargil War, the rifles were used in the high altitudes of the Himalayas. There were complaints of jamming, the magazine cracking due to the cold, and the rifle going into automatic mode when it was set for three-round bursts. There was also a problem of oil being sprayed into the eye of the operator. Some injuries during firing practice were also reported. In 2001, the 1v1 variant was introduced to solve problems regarding the rifle's reliability back in the Kargil War, but it opened up other problems such as broken magazines. Similar complaints were also received from the Nepalese Army. In August 2005, after 43 soldiers were killed in a clash with Maoists, a Nepalese Army spokesman called the rifle substandard, and their counter-insurgency operation would have been more efficient with better weapons. The Indian embassy released a statement that rejected the claim and attributed it to improper use. It also offered training for the rifle's correct use. In November 2014, the CRPF requested to drop the INSAs as their standard rifle due to problems with reliability. The Director General of CRPF, Dilip Trivedi, said that the INSAs jammed more frequently compared to the Alaska 47 and the X95 rifles. In 2011, RFI request for proposal was sent by the Indian Army. The Indian Army began the final round of trials began in June 2014. Budo in October. Only the Galil AXE and ARX-160 were left in the competition. However, the Army sent a letter to the manufacturers on June 15, 2015, to notify them that the tender has been retracted. On September 27, 2016, the Indian Defence Ministry reissued an RFI request for information for a 7.6 to 51mm assault rifle which could complement the INSA. The parameters which are mentioned by Ministry of Defence are: the rifle should be lightweight, the minimum effective range should be 500 meters. These rifles should have duly optimized recoil accuracy, should be better than 3 up to 500 meters. There is a high probability that INSAs can be replaced by modified INSA rifles, Trichy rifles, which are based on Russian AK-47, Galil AXE or ARX-160.